Hello guys, welcome in my video. Today I will teach you the advanced formula of the Google Sheet. The first one is that how to combine the data of sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 into the new sheet, right? And second one is formula is that how to combine the data of workbook 1, workbook 2, workbook 3 into the new workbook, right? So we start from formula 1. Here is a sheet 1 data. Here is the sheet 2 data and here is the sheet 3 data. So we want to combine the sheet 1 data, sheet 2, sheet 3 data into the in this sheet, right? First of all, we type equal, type open curly braces. We select the sheet 1 data from bottom to top like this, right? We come sheet 2, type semicolon, and we select the data of sheet 2 from bottom to top. Wait, it is a mistake. I think we select from bottom to top. Wait. We start from sheet 1. From bottom to top like this, right? Semicolon, sheet 2 from bottom to top, right? Semicolon, sheet 3 bottom to top, and then we close curly braces, right? And press enter. Here is the all the sheet of data, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 into the new sheet. So we want the header, because when we select the data of the sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, when we put the formula, that time we are not copy the header of the sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3, because we don't want again and again 3 time header. We want only one time, so we copy here sheet 1 header, right? We add a new row, insert row, and we paste here, control V, right? So here is the combined data of sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So we can do this, like you can check already, you can check sheet 1 data from start from 12 January to, like, 12 January to 27 January, 12 January from to 27, right? Sheet 2 data start from 15 Feb to 27 Feb. So you can check 15 Feb to 27 Feb, and you can check sheet 3 data start from 2 March to 11 March. 2 March to 11 March. So simple formula is that you can check here, type equal, open curly braces, and select sheet 1 data from bottom to top, sheet 2 data bottom to top, and sheet 3 bottom to top data, and close the curly braces and press enter. Then we will get the all combined data in the new sheet, right? So we move The next formula is that we want to copy the first workbook, second workbook, third workbook data into the new workbook. So new workbook is here, blank, workbook 1, workbook 2 and workbook 3. So how can we do that? First of all, here we can we type equal import range, right? Open bracket, and here we see the formula syntax spreadsheet URL. So here we put the URL of the workbook 1. So what is the URL? URL is that here, this is URL, right? So we copy URL. If you copy from here, from HTTPS to equal to 0, well and good, and you copy from here to from slash to slash, right? Then it is okay. So we copy here because we want short formula, and if we type we copy from here to here, so formula like will be like very long. Control C, right? So we put here double quote, right, address bar, then we comma, put comma, and range string, we again select from no wait 1 second, how can we do that? Range string, wait, sheet A1, right? Okay, we type here first of all we put the URL of the workbook 1 in double quote, comma, sheet 1, right, exclamatory mark, okay, then A2 to E17, okay, A2 to E17, right, bracket 1, and we press the enter. I think this is a wrong formula. Sheet A2 to E17, I think is also in double quote. Press enter. I think this is right formula. So here come reference error, because we want to access of the workbook 1. So we press we select the allow access button. So we get the data of the workbook 1, 12 Jan to 27 Jan, 12 Jan to 27 Jan, right? Now we want to get the workbook 2 data. We copy here the first workbook formula, and again we copy the address of second workbook. I told you earlier the address from slash to slash, it is okay. You can copy and paste, and you can also copy and paste the whole address. So we select from slash to this slash, right? Control C, wait, Control V, A22 E14, right? So we type here A22 E14, right? Press enter, and again we also need allow access. So we get 15 Feb to 27 Feb, 15 Feb to 27 Feb, right? Now we copy this formula, no, and paste here, right? Now I want to URL of the workbook 3. The URL of workbook 3 we copy from here, Control C and Control V, right? Data selection A22 E11. So if we type here E11, okay, press enter. Again we need the axis of workbook 3. We get the data of workbook 3, 2nd March to 11 March, 2nd March to 11 March, right? Again we copy this formula here and we paste here. Now also we get only the data of the workbook from the different formulas, right? Now I want to get the all combined data, so we again press equal, open curly braces, copy, Control C, Control V, right? We type here semicolon. It is similar to the formula 1, but difference is that we here copy the address, URL address from the link, and here we copy the name, just put the name sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So difference is that, but similar formula is similar from formula 2, right? We copy, Control C, Control V, right? We again put semicolon, Control C, Control V, and press enter. Now I am getting error because, wait, formula, press error, wait, we here put equal. Now press we enter, array, also we here put the equal and k, we remove and press enter. Now we get all the data of sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, 2 March to 11 March, 11 March, wait, no, it's a copy of the similar data. So here we put the similar address, but if you put here the workbook address 1, wait, we put here workbook address 2. Right, and here we put the address of one. Here you get 2nd March to uh, 11 March, 15 Feb to 24 Feb, and 12 Jan to 21 Jan. 15 Feb to 27 Feb, and here 2nd March to 11 March. It is a right. 2 March to 11 March, 15 Feb to 24 Feb, 12 March to 21. 1 second, something is here is 11, so you have to put 14, right? March 2 March to 27, sorry yaar, 11 March, right? Look here, 2 March to 11 March. I will show you 2 March here and 11 March here. Okay, workbook 2, 15 Feb to 27 Feb, 15 Feb to 27 Feb, and workbook 1, 12 Jan to 27 Jan, 12 Jan to 21, wait, E17, we here type E17, 27 Jan, 12 Jan to 27 Jan. So like this you can copy all the data. So guys, please practice this formula again and again 2 to 3 times, so you will definitely learn how to do the combined data of the workbooks and the sheet. Thank you so much.